Hello everyone. So how's everyone doing today? I'm going to combine or I'm going to do a little different reading, and before I start I would love to get feedbacks from you as to how you like this, because I try different ways and I try different things from time to time to know what resonates you the most and what it is that my followers and my friends and my students like watching. So this, I'm combining an Indian goddess, an African goddess, and the Chinese fortune cookies. So that's how I'm going to bring it. Now let's see how your day is going to be today. First we take this. Now this is the Kali goddess cards. It talks about the card called as Kurukula. Now, though Kurukula is the Kali goddess, but if you see, she is a shamanic folk goddess, and she combines the traditions of Hinduism and Buddhism. And if you see there, she has 4 arms, looks very fearful. She has 4 arms, though one face but 3 eyes. Okay, and basically she is a person who will attract what she needs, and at the same time she will repel what she feels is not needed. So if this card is come, it means you need to gain clarity on what is happening around you, why it is that sometimes you feel very drained, sometimes you feel very happy, sometimes you feel very low, and sometimes you feel very positive. What is it that it is distracting you from the goal you need to achieve? What it is, what are the circumstances which are going out of your control, which you are not able to control, or you're not able to handle it the way you are capable of handling. So today what you can do is start your day with this mantra: Om Kurukule Hri Soham Om Tare Tam Swaha. I shall repeat: Om Kurukule Hri Soham Om Tare Tam Swaha. Say this mantra 11 times and then tell her, "O Kurukula, a beautiful goddess of attraction and repelling, clear my path. Clear my path so that I can be happy and I can remove all the negativity from my life and I can live a positive life." So you can do that. So now let's see what the African goddess has got as a message. Now this is a beautiful card, one of my favorite cards, a Mary Lebu card, which is, it says good juju. If you see the card closer, it says good juju. And if you see here, it's a beautiful lady who's smiling and who's all happy. It's a very colorful card basically. So what it is that it is trying to say, it says that luck is in your favor. You will get everything that you want. You will be able to get divine abundance also. It is the time that you start attracting abundance your way. So maybe that is why Kurukula came, that you can attract what you want and you can repel what you want. So here she says, just start your day and think that I am attracting all the abundance. Maybe today, whenever you get time, just tell this: all I do is win, all I do is succeed, all I do is win, all I do is succeed. And yes, there are chances that everything goes in your favor. Today I would suggest wear a beautiful red, and if possible burn a red candle in the morning, also dedicating it to Kali Mata too. That's icing on the cake. It says enjoy the limelight. So somewhere all the cards are indicating that you're going to attract a beautiful day today. Everything is going to be good and achievement is not far away. You will achieve and you will get what you want. So also, if you see, someone's health could cause you secret worries, but I feel overall this is a card of achievement. So just do the 2 chantings which I asked you to do, and do let me know how you felt this reading is, and maybe I shall bring back the same type of reading again in the near future. Have a blessed day.